Let me hit you with the hard truth. Most people don't even know where their last salary went. Be honest, does that sound like you? Statistically, 3 out of 4 working professionals are living paycheck to paycheck. And no, not because they don't earn enough. It's because your money leaks always silently like a water through a crack bucket. Now, here is the scary part. If you can't manage 50,000 today, you will fail at managing 5 lakh tomorrow. But in the next few minutes, I'll hand you something powerful, a free budget template that works in Google Sheet, Excel and even numbers. It's not just a sheet, it's a financial weapon that can save you lakhs. And stay till the end because I'll reveal one secret column inside the sheet which wealthy people use but most people ignore. That single column can be the difference between staying broke forever and achieving the financial freedom. So, do you want to stay broke or you stay till the end? Your choice. Hey everyone, I'm Aamar Srivastava, your money management mentor and a side hustle expert. I help working professionals to escape the trap of single income dependency, and today you are getting the exact same budget template my paying students use for free. Let me tell you a story. A client of mine, let's call him Raj. He was earning 1.2 lakh per month, a good salary, right? On paper, a dream salary, but every single month he was broke by the end of 25th. When I asked him where his money went, he looked at me blank. He literally had no idea, and I'll be honest with you, that's not just Raj. That's 90% of people. We think we are spending wisely. We assume we are saving enough, but in reality, we are driving blindfolded at 100 km per hour, straight into the financial crash. That's why I created a budget template, because if you don't track your money, you don't own your money, period. Now, I'll walk you through the template step by step. Let me plant this thought in your head. There is one column in this sheet that almost everyone ignores, but it's the same column that wealthy people focus on religiously. I'll reveal it later. In this video, let's break down the core structure. Tab number 1, income tracker. Every rupee you earn goes here. Salary, bonus, freelancing, gigs, cashback, even that 150 rupee your friend returned for that Zomato order. Why? Because untracked money is the forgotten money, and the forgotten money is the wasted money. Tab number 2, expense tracker. This is where the reality slaps you. Expenses get categorized: need, want, saving, investment, side hustle, and listen carefully. If your want column is bigger than your investment column, you are not managing money, you are digging a grave. Tab number 3, monthly dashboard. This is where your financial behavior gets exposed. Pie chart, bar and color coded alerts telling you, congrats, you are hitting your saving goal, or stop ordering Swiggy at 2 a.m. Tab number 4, annual overview, the long game. By December, you will clearly see whether you are improving or repeating the same money mistake. Either way, the truth will stare you in the face. And let's laugh for a second. How do most people budget? They scribble in diary in January. This year I'll save 5,000 per month. By February they forget. By March, holy shopping wipes it out. By July they lost the diary. That's not budgeting, that's a wishful thinking. This template is not a resolution. This is a system, and system don't fail unless you do, my dear friend. When you use this sheet, something powerful happens. You stop asking, where did my salary go? And you start proudly saying, yes, I know where it went, I'm in control. That's the difference between sleepless night worrying about EMI and a peaceful sleep knowing your bills, savings and investments are all taken care. That's the difference between telling your kids, sorry, we can't afford it, and saying, yes, let's do it, without touching your emergency fund. Budgeting doesn't kill your fun. Budgeting gives you permission. It lets you book the Goa trip guilt-free because your saving and investment are already secured. And here is the big reveal, the column most people ignore, the side hustle reinvestment column. This is where the wealthy separates themselves from everyone else. While most people blow the extra money or impulsive shopping, the smart one reinvest into a skill, tool or side hustle business. That's how they escape the paycheck to paycheck trap. Ignore this column and you will stay stuck. Use it and you will unlock a second income while your peers are struggling with one source of income. So here is the deal. This budget template is ready for you, and And yes, it's absolutely for free. All you have to do is click the link into the description, download your copy, start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today, because bills don't wait, inflation don't wait, so your financial freedom should not wait either. You either build a system now or a life will build a crisis for you later. And trust me, you don't want a crisis version for yourself. If this video gave you a clarity, hit the like button, subscribe for more money mastery and side hustle strategies, and share this with someone who seriously needs a wake-up call. Remember, wealth is not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and how wisely you grow it. And one important point I want to make, nowadays AI must be your good friend. If AI is not your friend today, then it will be forced on you tomorrow. So if you want I should create another AI version of budgeting tutorial, then comment AI money below into this video and I'll create amazing video for you. Once again, I'm Aamar Srivastava, your money management mentor and a side hustle expert, signing off for now. Take charge of your money before it takes charge of you.